So we are heading to Bryson City in North Carolina for a getaway weekend, and Cherokee in North Carolina. Now, this is a mountainous place. It's kind of a hilly place, but here they call it mountainous place. It's like a mountain to the mountains, just to get away for just the weekend, and then we come back. So drive with us as we go there. We shall just show you a few clips of the place. As you see, there is the mountain. You can see the hills and the trees. I just love nature, and I love the way it looks and the way it feels. It's not hot, it's not very cold. That car got my attention because I thought that flag is from Italy. I don't know if I'm wrong.
What's that?
What's that?
Flag of Italy. Look at that. Oh, the fireworks. We are going for dinner. We just want to see how the place looks like, and because we are not familiar with the place, we've decided to go early. Can you imagine? It's almost 8 o'clock, right? And the way it looks very bright. As you can see, the ambience and the place is so green. That is what I love most. So we are enjoying this place. Asha, do you like this place?
This is place
You love it?
over here
Oh.
and down.
Oh, you love that? Okay, thank you. I should say hi to Daddy. You like it? You love it? Okay, let's go. So we decided to eat at a Mexican restaurant that was around, and I can tell you everything was superb in that restaurant. The city has very few people compared to where we come from, and I think that is a nice thing. When you want to get away, you don't really need a crowd.
Boom. Okay, yeah.
We're going home. Say bye.
Bye.
We're going home.
Bye.
Yes, we are tired. We're going home. We ate. We enjoyed the food. It was nice, and it's a wonderful weather. It's not even hot anymore.
No. Hello.
What are you
No.
saying? Are you happy?
No.
No?
Nothing.
I don't know what he's talking about. Okay, let's go home. We want to go and sleep. We are tired. Okay, let's go. See how it becomes a bed? The couch becomes a bed. Yay! Asha, that's your bed. Good morning. We are going for breakfast. We can't wait to get out of here today. We are leaving, but we are going for breakfast today.
So before we're going home, we decided to stop by the Cherokee's bear zoo, and Ashley's never seen a bear before, so we wanted him to see what he had, and it had some other animals as well. So let's enjoy.
Just look at how green the place is. This is cute. It's beautiful.
Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Ah, he's in your hand. Here, put in your hand. How's Daddy? Here, put in your hand. Put in your hand. The food.
Bunny got food.
Your sushi have a lot of these. That's like raccoon, doesn't it? A raccoon. It's yummy to your tummy.
We enjoyed the short break from our daily routine. Now we are going home. It's like a 2-hour drive back home. And we hope again to come back here and explore this city and this town, because we've realized there are some activities, like there are some train rides that we saw. You need to plan for that, and we are planning to come back again and do some of these train rides. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope that our baby one day will look at this video and just remember some of the memories that we cherish.
You don't see them? Oh man, you should see that next time. They're awesome. There he goes. There's the big truck. See the big truck? Whoa.